Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing pink food cooking. It's almost 7 p.m. right now and I need to eat something for dinner. And today I'm making pink fried rice. I'm Japanese, of course I love fried rice. I mean, I'd say most Japanese people love fried rice. Anyway, I'm getting hungry, so let's start it. Okay. First, I wanna start from cauliflower. And look, my Barbie pink knife. So I already washed this. So I wanna cut cauliflower into kind of little pieces, like small piece. It doesn't need to be like super tiny. I mean, usually for fried rice, well, I don't put cauliflower, but today we are making it in pink, so that's only why I'm using this. Okay, here's cauliflower. Now I want to soak cauliflower into beet juice. It kind of looks like pink popcorn that I made the other day, remember? But it's just cauliflower. Soak them a little bit. Now I want to prepare egg white. For egg yolk, I will use for another cooking. Usually I put beet powder, but I'm running out of beet powder right now, so I will just put beet juice. Okay, and I cut some turkey bacon. Like this. And also, I cut some beets. I mean, I never put beets in fried rice before, but it might add more pink color, so let me put it. Okay, now on my pink stove, Barbie pink pan, and I'm ready. So I sauteed bacon. We never wanna let them burn. And I put veggies, salt and pepper. I'm not using black pepper this time. I love black pepper, but sometimes it doesn't look good with pink food. And now I put this. It's like Chinese seasoning. No MSG. And now I put rice. And I put the rest of the juice from cauliflower. It looks cute. Now we put egg here. Oh, it's so. Let me put a tiny bit of sesame oil for flavor. Just a little bit. Because I don't want to make the color different. 超かわいい. Okay, turn it off. Oh my god, I really made pink fried rice. Now I want to put these rice in this small bowl. Here's my favorite Barbie crate. せーの。 Ta-da! Look, pink fried rice is here. Oh my god. You know what? I want to put this girl on the top. Ta-da! I made pink fried rice. I'm so excited. I want to eat it. Look, pink fried rice. Kawaii. 超カワイい. Okay, let's eat it. いただきます. This is good. And you know what? I just noticed. I forgot to put soy sauce, but actually it has enough flavor. And you know, this is pretty healthy too. Did you notice? I'm like already eating half of it, and it's been just 3 minutes. So I feel like it's totally telling this is pretty good. 美味しい。めっちゃ美味しい。Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have a fantastic Barbie day. Bye.